Alright, let's try something simple but impossible. This is just a regular deck of cards. No setups, no markings. Now since you are not actually here, I will pick a random card for you. Alright, this is your card. Now remember your card and keep thinking about it. Once you are done, I will place your card on top and give the deck a cut. Nice and fair, no funny moves, just one clean cut. I hope you are still thinking about your card because I'm gonna try something. I'm looking for a feeling. Something familiar. Is this your card? Let's break it down. This is one of the oldest and easiest card tricks in the book, and it is called the key card trick. This trick does not require any kind of setup or a sleight of hand. The whole concept of the trick is about knowing the bottom card of the deck. The bottom card is the key card, which in our case was the Ace of Spades. Now one smooth way to look at the bottom card without looking suspicious is just casually spreading the cards after giving them a shuffle. This will give us just enough time to look at the bottom card while convincing the audience that the deck is shuffled. After learning the bottom card, you ask the spectator to choose any random card from the deck. Again, this can be any random card. After the spectator picks and remembers their card, you take their card and place it on top of the deck. Then you give the deck a simple cut and a false shuffle if you want to. Once you cut the deck, the bottom card, in this case Ace of Spades, will be on top of the spectator's card. Let's find the Ace of Spades. As you can see, here's Ace of Spades and this is the spectator's card. To find their card, you can do many presentations, but the one I used was just looking at the cards and cutting from the key card. I found the key card, cut from that point, and the spectator's card was on top of the deck. By the way, if you want to make the trick feel more dramatic or slow, you can reveal the cards one by one, just like this. However, this presentation usually takes longer and the spectator gets distracted. So here's my solution for that. When you're cutting the deck, after the spectator places their card on top of the deck, just make the top half bigger than the bottom one. This way, the spectator's card and our key card end up closer to the top of the deck, and you can reach your key card faster than usual. This saves time and still looks impressive. Here's our key card, and here's the spectator's card. Alright, that wraps it up for this video. This was actually our first video on this channel, so if you made it this far, thank you. This is one of the best card tricks for beginners, and it teaches you something really important: the power of presentation. It is simple, but remember, what really sells this trick is how you perform it. You can act like you are reading someone's mind. It all depends on your creativity. So definitely try this trick on someone, and when you do, pay attention to their reaction. Then come back and drop it in the comments. I want to hear about that. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, maybe even subscribe. It helps more than you think. More tutorials are coming soon, and trust me, they're only going to get better. Thanks for watching and welcome to No Name Magicians.